Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back. So today we have a new VTX and it's from Foxeer. It's called the ClearTX 2. Now a lot of people have been talking about this VTX. However, you're going to be quite surprised, just like I was with this thing. It only does one thing right. Let's talk about some of the specs real quick before just jumping into the testing. So this thing takes up to a 6S Lipo direct voltage. It does have a 5-volt regulator on board and can be controlled through smart audio. Also, this thing has an MMCX port, as you can tell right there, a button, and obviously I just said smart port. Now, it comes locked. There's a US version and there's an international version. It comes as the international version, and to unlock it, all you gotta do is just hold the button for 5 seconds, and then it unlocks it. However, before you unlock it and you're on the international version, no matter what band you're on, it doesn't go past 13 milliwatts when you're set on 25 milliwatts. So keep that in mind. And also, the 500, I think, and 800 milliwatts, that's bullshit. It just goes 200, then 230, and then 200 like 60. Nothing. It just doesn't go above 300 milliwatts, and it's set 500 and 800 milliwatts. So that's out of the question. It's bullshit. So this is a 200 milliwatt VTX here, or 250 milliwatt VTX. So enough talking. I'm gonna stick this guy in the bench, and we'll start testing race 1 at 5658. Since this thing goes by 50 megahertz increments, so we'll start at 5650, and then we'll move up the ladder somewhat. So let me plug everything in here, and I'll be powering this guy off with 16 volts to mimic a 4S quadcopter here. And I have my alligator clips, which I'm gonna set up. All right, so currently, it's broadcasting at 35 milliwatts, which is that didn't happen before, and it's very unpredictable of how it keeps broadcasting things. So right now I just disconnected it here. Just give me a moment. It's a bit hard to get everything into the picture. All right, so it's broadcasting at 31 milliwatts currently, and it is on 5650 here, and it's broadcasting on race band 1, which is 5658 or something. So we're right in that range right there. Now check this out. I'm gonna go ahead and just quickly jump to 200 milliwatts. We have to hold it for 3 seconds, then we have to let go and hold it for 3 seconds. We have to let go and hold it for 3 seconds. And then now we're at 200. As you can tell, we're getting 226. And now we're at 500, we're getting 250. And now we're at 800, we're only getting 263 milliwatts. Yeah, overall this thing there's no way in hell it reaches 300 milliwatts, so keep that in mind. This is basically a 200 milliwatt VTX, and you know, anywhere between 17 to 25 milliwatts for the 25 milliwatts, even sometimes 31 milliwatts. So it's really unpredictable. No matter what I do, no matter what I change, it's going to be pretty consistent. We'll also do one more together here. I'm going to go to channel, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to something called Airwave. I think it's channel band F and channel 4, which is 5800. So I'm gonna jump on 5800, and that's because I know this will go exactly on 5800 as well. So let's set this one up on 5800 here, and then we're gonna take a look. So now we're getting 25 milliwatts on that channel, even though it's not the right channel. So let's just go ahead and set that up. So that's going to be 3. Okay, that's 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now it's gonna be channel 4, I think. Okay, so that's outputting even more. So it's gonna be it's gonna be 4. It's gonna be 4, 4. Okay, so we have to change the band again. So this is 4, 4. As you can tell, I was on a different channel, and it was the output was a lot higher. So I don't think this thing is running clean, or this might not be calibrated, but I kind of highly doubt it, and I won't know until I get my other equipment. But yeah, this is exactly 5800 megahertz, and here we're exactly on the VTX at 5800 megahertz at 25 milliwatts. So let's go ahead and actually, what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna try to increase the power. So there we go. Okay, so this is 200. 200 is 200. It's pretty consistent. 500 is 230, and 800 is 260. All right, guys. So this thing just cannot past 300 milliwatts. So this is basically a 25 200 milliwatt VTX. It doesn't exceed 25 milliwatts. Only sometimes. It's really rare, only when you boot it up, but then after a while it just runs either at 25 or below 25 milliwatts. So it's not really stable in the amount of power it's outputting here. It has everything you need. The LEDs are kind of not super intuitive, and the way to use it is just a bit, it's not really complicated, it's kind of annoying. It's just one button for everything. So you hold it for 3 seconds, and then if a green one lights up here, that means you're in band, and you hold it for another 3 seconds, and then you're in channel, so you can start switching the channel. And if you hold it again for another 3 seconds, then these two will dictate what you're on, basically. Or no, both of them will be on, those bottom ones, and it'll give you 1 through 4 based on the output power. As you can tell, it'll tell you 25, 200, 500, and 800 GB, but it's milliwatts. I don't know why they put GB here. And yeah, overall this thing is not as advertised, I would say. And yeah, so the Earsheen VTX, which was this one, it says it goes to up to 1,000, and it went to, I think, what did it go to, 700, and sometimes it even jumped to 800 if I remember correctly. So this one is pretty, I mean, it's up to 600 milliwatts, but I didn't expect this from Foxeer. And, well, that's all I got to say currently until I get more testing equipment. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Share your thoughts about this product here, and if you've used it, and if you have had any issues, or it's just a really good one for racing. So yeah, just let us know down in the comment section. I'm sure that'll help someone out there. And if I helped you avoid a product or purchase a product, please consider using the links down below. Those greatly support the channel. And, well, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.